Dear students, today we will see how we can declare the pointer array. That means an array which will be capable enough to store the address of the variables. So you can see here we are taking A as an array with size 3, but it is a pointer array because you can see that we have mentioned asterisk before A. So now we are again taking variable I and initializing it with the value 3, then variable j of integer type and initializing it with the value 1, and variable k and again initializing it with the value 0. Now you can see that what we are trying to do here is that at an index of 0, we will try to store the address of variable I. Therefore, we are declaring it as a of 0 is equal to at the address of I. And then at the index of 1, we will store the address of j. And at 2, we will store the address of variable k. Now you can clearly see that we have declared this array of pointers wherein at each index we have basically assigned the addresses. So now we will just try to print the address of each element assigned to the array. And to print the whole array we need to you make use of the loop. So here we will take b as a loop counter, which we will initialize with 0. Then as we have the size of an array 3, so b is less than 3, b plus plus, we are giving it an increment. Then here you can see we will be printing the addresses assigned to each element of an array by this. Now you see we are running the code which is giving us the address, you will see here. Okay, so now again what we will be doing is that we will try to print the values at each index of the array. So for that matter, we will first give a user-friendly message. The elements assigned to array are, as you know, in pointers, if we have to print the values, how we can do that? We can make use of asterisk, to print the value at a particular address. So here you can see, to loop through the array we are again using for b is equal to 0, b is less than 3, b plus plus, and then we are printing the values. So how we will be printing it? %d. Now we will give here asterisk and then a of b, which will print the values at the indexes. So you can see when we will run this program, it will give us the addresses as well as the values of the array. So this is how we can work with the pointer arrays.